every product out there that contains vitamin C is for skin lightening, skin brightening, skin whitening, depending on how long you use it. Now, if you have been looking for something that is going to moisturize the skin, or you've been looking for something that is going to work on body acne, or you need something that is simply going to brighten your skin, or maybe you want to whiten your skin, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time coming across this page, hi, this is Wealth of Wealthy TV. On this particular channel, we treat everything skincare and beauty. So in this video, I will do a product review, and the product I'll be reviewing in this video is the Clini Tone Body Butter Lotions. So this particular body butter lotions, it has three different types. I'm going to be talking about the whole three, and I'll be showing you guys what they all look like. So I have the three lotions here with me. The three Clini Tone Body Butter Lotions. I'm going to take my time to review all of them. You guys, before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that. Click on that subscribe button you're seeing down there. It is absolutely free to do that. And then also try your possible best to like this video before the end of it, and do not forget to share this video. Do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section, and then if you have if there's any other products you want me to review, also drop it in the comment section. Now, the Clini Tone Body Butter Lotions, I'm going to start with this very one, which is the pink color Clini Tone Body Butter Lotions. Okay, let's just keep this aside. This particular one is for mild lightening. Okay, this one contains glutathione, and it is for mild lightening. So if in case you're looking for something that is just going to mildly lighten your skin, like you want to just lighten but not too much, and you don't want it too fast, you just want something that's going to take it easy on your skin, then this particular one is what you need. Now, this particular one does not contain a whole lot, and it doesn't even contain so much active ingredients. It is mild, just like they said. Now, this is enriched with coconut, vanilla, and also it is meant for all skin types. This lotion comes in 400 ml, and also, just as the name implies, this is a body butter. So when you use this, or if you want to use this, expect something thick. Okay, it is actually a thick lotion, not actually a lightweight lotion. It is not sticky, but it is not something that quickly absorbs. If you guys know about body butters, I know a lot of you watching me right now, you know about body butters. So with the knowledge you already have with other body butters, this particular one is not an exemption. Now, the only difference between this particular lotion, like the whole three lotions, and the regular body butter that you know, is that the regular body butter that we all know contains a whole lot of oils, and then when you use them, your skin becomes shiny and all of that. But this is body butter in a lotion form, so it is not something that once you use, your skin is going to become oily, or your skin is just, it's going to moisturize the skin, but it's not something that keeps your skin shiny. It's something that, how do I even put it, a body butter in a lotion form. That's just it. Now, this is actually meant to be used morning and night. If you want something that's going to work for you very fast, then you should use this twice daily. And then it is not this type of harsh creams that you can't use and step out in the sun. So this is mild. You can actually use it. If you have a sensitive skin, your skin reacts to things, then this particular one is what you should go for. You don't want something that is going to whiten up your skin, then this particular one is what you should go for. Now let's go ahead and read what is written on the bottle. This non-greasy, lightweight glutathione enriched all over glow body lotion absorbs easily into the skin and is rich enough to be a long-lasting body moisturizer. Absorbs easily into the skin. No, that's not true. It doesn't absorb. Like, okay, body butters do not quickly absorb into the skin, so that part is not true. Let's go ahead. And gentle enough to be used as daily moisturizer. Yes, that's true. Formulated to be safe for all skin types. That is also true. This brightens, it nourishes, it hydrates and plumps your skin for a healthier, fuller, and younger appearance while also improving your skin's elasticity all at once. What is going to brighten your skin if you use this particular lotion is glutathione, and that is basically the only very active ingredient in it. Like I said, it is mild. This for mild lightening. So if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and pick this. I'm going to tell you guys the price before the end of this video, and just in case I forget, I'm going to write it on the screen for you guys. Okay, so that's that for this. And then the next one I'm going to talk about is this particular one. If you have body acne, there are people who have body acne. Yeah, just in case you don't know what body acne is, I'm going to put a picture of it on the screen. So if you have body acne or you have scars on your skin, you have dark spots on your skin, then this particular one in blue color is what you need. This particular one is for deep moisturizing. It contains salicylic acid, and you guys know salicylic acid works on acne a whole lot, and it also exfoliates the skin. It also contains coconut oil and lavender, also meant for all skin types, and it comes in 400 ml bottle. The active ingredient in here is salicylic acid. Everything about these lotions are the same except for their functions. Okay, each of them have different things they do on the skin. So just your skin need, if there's something, a particular thing you expect from this lotion, you should go for the one that suits you better. And yes, they said all of these creams can be used on your face and body, but I would not recommend, I would not even advise you to use it on your face. You know why? This product is very, very thick. Of course, it is a body butter and it is very, very thick. And I wouldn't advise you use something this thick on your face. And it wouldn't even, like, it doesn't penetrate so fast. It does not easily absorb into the skin. If you use this on your face and you're someone that have acne prone skin, then this is just going to worsen your acne situation. So do not use it on your face. Okay, let's move on to this particular one. This one is the vitamin C body butter lotion. You guys, you know what vitamin C does on the skin. Every product out there that contains vitamin C is for skin lightening, skin brightening, skin whitening, depending on how long you use it. So if you use this for a long time, it is definitely going to whiten up your skin. And this particular one has the most active ingredient present in it. This one contains kojic acid. You guys, kojic acid whitens the skin. It contains glutathione as well. Now the combination of these two, it works very well to whiten the skin. So if you are looking out for any of these products that is going to whiten your skin, then this is the best one that you should go for. Okay, now this is it contains vitamin C, it contains orange and also arbutin, which is alpha arbutin, right? So now you know that alpha arbutin also lightens the skin. Orange is a natural skin lightener as well, so this one is packed if what you're looking for is skin whitening. Okay, this contains L-ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, and that is known as the purest form of vitamin C. And then it helps to brighten the complexion, which is this particular lotion helps to brighten the complexion and promote more even skin tones. This particular product is formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain the skin barrier. If what you're looking for is to lighten up your skin, or what you're looking for is to whiten up your skin, this is for you. If what you're looking for is something that's going to work on body acne or dark spots, then this is for you. If what you're looking for is something that's just going to mildly brighten up your skin and keep your skin moisturized, then this is for you. So basically, if what you're looking for is something that is maybe just going to maintain your skin tone, I recommend this, the blue one, for you. Okay, if what you want is something that is going to brighten up your skin, I recommend this for you. If what you want is something that is going to get you fair, then this is for you. So guys, that is basically it. Which of it is your favorite? Have you used any of them? And which of it would you want to try even if you haven't used them? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like, give this video a thumbs up. Also drop a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, and of course I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.